Let's meet Shruti and Jay as a group for our top 20 finalists of Whitblock's Young Inventor TechFest 2020.
I am Shruti Kakkar, studying in Springdale School, Dholakwa, New Delhi, in grade 12, and my subjects are physics, chemistry, mathematics, and computer sciences.
Hello everyone, I'm Jay Kakkar, student of Springdale School, Dholakwa in grade 8, and my hobbies are to play the drums, to read books, and I enjoy studying science.
Amidst this pandemic, there's been a shortage of disinfectants, and WHO declared that disinfection is the key preventive measure against the COVID-19 virus. So, my teammate and I derived an economical way to produce a disinfectant through the process of ionization. Hence, Puricide came.
For new and economical ways to disinfect. Puricide is a quick and economical way to manufacture your own disinfectant at home in 4 easy steps. All you need is a Puricide bottle, a micro USB cable and a power bank which gives the output of 5 volts, 1.5 grams of salt and 500 ml of drinking water. Step 1. Fill the Puricide bottle with 500 ml of drinking water. Step 2. Add 1.5 grams of common salt with the pre-measured spoon provided with Puricide. Step 3. Stir the mixture properly to achieve a homogeneous solution. And finally, step 4. Connect Puricide to a power source and plug in a micro USB-C cable for 7 minutes. The light turns on and the process of electrolysis is initiated. Electrolysis is a chemical process of using an electrical current to stimulate a non-spontaneous reaction. The key process of electrolysis is the interchange of atoms and ions by the removal or addition of electrons from the external circuit. After 7 minutes, the light goes off on its own as a timer is attached. This indicates the completion of electrolysis. A stable solution of hypochlorous acid is formed by this formula: grams of solute divided by grams of solution into 1 million. HOCl is currently on the EPA's list as an effective disinfectant against COVID-19 and is considered to be safe in and on food, dairy and skin. Hypochlorous acid is a weak acid and an effective disinfectant. It is currently being used in many industries like food industries, grocery stores for food sanitization, dairy processing facilities, hospitals and healthcare facilities. Puricide can potentially replace all general sanitization chemicals used to clean healthcare facilities and home disinfection. Thank you.
This ongoing pandemic, the lockdown and the online classes has made me try a lot of science experiments. And believe me when I say this, I've produced over 200 liters of hypochlorous acid.
So let's open the floor for Q&A. Over to you, judges. Thank you.
Thank you very much for an excellent presentation. You cited there that this technology is already being used in food stores and other sort of applications. So what's different about what you've done to what's already available?
So the technology is not being used sanitizing product that we've created is being used. So we've created HOCl, which is a sanitizer, and it's on the Environmental Protection Agency's list against so many viruses that I've mentioned before. But we've created a product from scratch that uses simple water to convert it into a disinfectant that could just prevent, cleaning and for vegetable sanitization to products that come on our doorstep, like Amazon products, anything. So it's just what we've created here.
So it's basically just a spray bottle, and the technology has changed. Only and the disinfectant has been used by a lot of companies earlier, but we have just changed the technology and made it into a new product.
Thank you.
So the differentiator between you and other sanitizers are the cost?
The cost also, supposing you use bleach or something that could potentially harm your product. If you use it on clothes, after some time the cloth gets spoiled. So our product, basically HOCl, is also produced in our body, in our intestine, which makes it safe for human skin, eyes, anything. It's being used in eye drops as well. So this is better in a way. It's economical and eco-friendly. So it cannot potentially harm anything that you use it on.
Okay.
Great presentation. What is the efficacy of this? In the sanitizer bottles, I read 99.9% kills 99, etc. and so on. So this solution dilution, what is the efficacy of this, and how long does it last?
So we, as we did a lot of research before we actually created the product, so we've taken 500 ml of water and we've calculated the pH of it first, so that it remains in that pH. So the shelf life of this HOCl is I think 72 hours. We've calculated it through a formula of ppm. We measured each and every ingredient to actually put in this so that it could make an ideal disinfectant.
So on the EPA's list, so the EPA list recommends us to use 300 ppm of hypochlorous acid, and that's calculated by parts per million divided parts per ppm is equal to yes, sorry.
No, that's fine. I understand what it is. Great. Good presentation, well thought out.
To answer the second part of it, to differentiate between sanitizers, the sanitizer you can only use on your hands. You could disinfect the entire body using when someone enters the house, you could just spray it. So we actually put it in a cold bottle right now because this is our prototype. So you could spray it on a person, and the person would be just disinfected with clothes and everything. You don't have to, because using UV or that could potentially harm the skin as well, right? So this is the best method that we found to use it.
Okay.
So again, the differentiator is the cost and how safe it is to use, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shruti and Jay. Very well thought project. Combining science with technology and electronics is very interesting. It seems that you're interested in science and technology. That's very good. Only thing I was wondering that why do you have to have the spray bottle and everything in one kind of, because what Jay showed me later on is that you can have a simple glass and have an electrode kind of thing, making those and put it into a normal spray kind of thing. So what is that you're trying to sell? Is it the combined product with the spray kind of thing? Then it loses its value because then or is it detachable, something that you can put it in any spray bottle? I'm not very sure how you have thought about the product.
So what we are planning to sell and what we are thinking about is selling the whole product in which the electrolysis is initiated and through which you can spray.
So what we have been thinking about is incorporating a battery inside, so you could produce it on the move, adding salt, adding water, and you could just be in your car, and if you want to sanitize something, then you can just add water and salt, and then you're done.
It'll be like your go-to bottle to anything. So you don't have to put tablets or something that could, this is easy. You can just, it's this entire product that we're selling. This is like one of those spray bottle caps that we used, and we've used a catch bottle that we've cut at the bottom.
Yeah.
So
in that case, the life of the product is dependent on the weakest part of it, isn't it? Which is the plastic kind of thing.
the entire thing that we're selling.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
But
Okay,
there's
well,
always
that's very
scope for further improvement, so we can always make it like glass or whatever.
Very good. Well done. Well done. This is your first prototype, and you know what to extend and how to make your product better. Well done. That's excellent.
Great project.
Many congratulations to Shruti and Jay for their invention. On behalf of the entire team of WITBLOX and TechFest, we wish them the very best of luck for the future.